Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 13 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this device. So, firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way to the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, we need to take the brush in our hand, and first we need to take the cover off if you have. Then take the brush you have in your hand and insert the one part of the brush to the connector and pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.